Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials, Windows version and admin access. Install either Python 3.10 plus from the official installer or download Anaconda for a bundled setup. Make sure to check Add Python to path during the Python installer. This simplifies command line use. Once done, open PowerShell or command prompt as administrator so subsequent commands don't hit permission issues. Run Python version to confirm. If you chose Anaconda, open the Anaconda prompt instead. That keeps environments and packages isolated and predictable. Next, install Jupyter within a controlled environment to avoid dependency conflicts. If you're using pip, run pip install Jupyter Lab for the modern interface or pip install Notebook for the classic one. With Anaconda, use conda install c conda forge Jupyter Lab. Create and activate a virtual environment. Python mvenv, envname then, envname \scripts \activate, or conda create name Python equals 3.10 and conda activate name, so projects stay isolated. Then install ipykernel. Finally, launch Jupyter with Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook from your activated environment. Your browser should open the dashboard. Create a new notebook and choose the kernel you registered, then run a quick print, hello, to verify execution. Make sure files save in a known folder and use Ctrl+C in the terminal to stop the server. If something goes wrong, a key troubleshooting tip: confirm the active environment and path are correct, restart the terminal, and reinstall ipykernel. Also check firewall or antivirus blocking localhost ports.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.